What happens when a lien shows up right before closing? Escrow can make or break a deal. Most buyers and even agents don't fully understand what actually happens behind the scenes. In this video, I'll walk you through the escrow process step by step and show you how to avoid the mistakes that could cost you thousands. Escrow is one of those words we hear constantly in real estate, but if you ask the average buyer or seller what it means, most won't even be able to tell you. So let's break it down. Escrow is a neutral third party that holds onto the money, the documents, and the transaction details until everything is ready for closing. It's like a safety net, making sure no funds change hands until every condition of the contract is met by both parties. Here's what the timelines look like. After the purchase agreement is signed and agents send over the contract, escrow is officially open. The buyer deposits earnest money into an escrow account. The title company begins a title search to ensure the seller owns the property and that there are no legal claims against it. Any inspections or appraisals are scheduled. Loan documents and disclosures are sent to the buyer. Meanwhile, the escrow officer manages paperwork, coordinates communication between all parties, and prepares the file for closing. Once all conditions are satisfied, meaning title is clear, the loan is approved, and all necessary documents are signed, then and only then the deal is closed. Funds are dispersed, and the keys are handed over. If something is missing or a document is incorrect, it can delay the entire process. That's why having a strong escrow team and responsive communication between all parties is critical. Buyers, sellers, and especially agents should always stay in the loop. Make sure everyone understands the next steps, double check all timelines, commitments, and avoid making any financial changes or credit moves while in escrow. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more tips on navigating escrow and title issues like a pro. And if you have questions, or if you want to share your experiences, drop a comment below because your feedback helps us create content that's tailored to your needs. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.